In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels lag. So let's dive right in. All right, the first thing we're going to do is clear the Instagram cache. So from your phone's home screen, go ahead, tap and hold on Instagram. Then click on App Info. Here you'll see a few options. Tap on Storage and Cache. Now simply tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be slowing down the app. Now that we've cleared the cache, let's head back and open the Instagram app. Once you're inside the app, click on bottom right profile button. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on that. Now, under the Settings and Privacy section, scroll until you find your app and media. This is where we'll tweak some data usage settings. Tap on Data Usage and Media Quality. In this section, you'll find a setting called Use Less Data, or something similar. What you want to do is make sure the Data Saver toggle is turned on. Turning this on helps the app run smoother. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick fixes like this one. Thanks for watching.